Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Sebastian. I'm here with his nurse as well. This is Aaron. And this is Sebastian's therapy room that he's in. So we have hooked up one of his favorite fun games. We're working on rolling. So as you can see, Sebastian has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. And rolling is hard for him. So we've set up an incline to make it a little bit easier. So we're going to do it both ways. If you'll take his legs. All right, Sebastian. For him to roll, he has trouble getting his arms over his head to make it easier. So I'm going to help him get this arm up over his head. And can you roll over, Sebastian? Go, Sebastian. I see you. Nice job, Sebastian. When he gets to his stomach, I just do the same thing again. Get up over his head, and over he goes. You ready? Let's get this arm up, Sebastian. You ready? Ooh, pull him toward you a little. We're about to fall off our ramp. And over you go. Wow! You're still, wow! And he's off! Sebastian, that was terrific. Let's try it from the other side. Ready? Spin him around. All right. We've got this set up on a bunch of benches and on a platform swing on top of the benches to be able to make this nice, smooth decline. You ready, Sebastian? You got to get that arm up over your head. There you go, and over you go. Nice job, Sebastian. Let's get that arm up. Can you go over, Sebastian? Ah, that's right. Go, Sebastian, go. I love it, Sebastian. Get that one up and go, Sebastian, go. I love it, Sebastian. Hey, I see you with that arm up. That's rocking. Way to go. Can you go that last one? Go, Sebastian, go. Way to go, Sebastian. So this is a fun way to work on rolling. Sebastian loves this. And it makes it easier for him to do this activity so he can help figure it out better when he's on the level surface. I hope this is helpful for you. And Sebastian and Aaron and I will see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.